your feet, the bicycle
Are you
rolls.
ready to get out? You get out?
You have no horns.
He has tassels. Stella, can you push your feet? Can you push your feet so your tricycle will go?
Put your feet on the pedal.
I'm gonna push him.
You're gonna push Stella?
All right, Stella, you got to steer. Stella, you got to steer. Put your hands on the handlebars.
Now that is cute.
Oh my goodness.
Push.
Go, Stella, push.
Those girls a lot of work, aren't they, John?
Papa can do it.
John Paul can't do it.
I can.
You did an excellent job.
I can do it.
Push really hard with your feet.
Makes big leg muscles. Then you can be a tennis pro one day.
I make it do like this. I want to do like this.
Put your feet on the pedals.
I can do it.
Hmm?
Do it, it's broken.
You are pitiful.
That's how John Paul used to ride too.
Well, did they leave you out?
Can you give her a push, John Paul?
Now, when I was 3, I ride it like this.
That's right, like Stella does. Can you give her a push?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Back right now, right
She needs to jump.
That's right.
Hold on to your.
Easy, easy, easy.
Yeah.
You and Aaron are having biscuits.
Put your feet on the pedals. John Paul's gonna push you.
Aaron has a biscuit too. Aaron has a